Dear friends in the Dhamma, today I want to share something very close to my heart, something I've seen again and again in meditation halls, Dhamma centers, and within the silent struggles of sincere seekers. But before we begin, let me lighten the mood just a little. You know, meditation is not like instant noodles. But these days, people act like it's supposed to be ready in 2 minutes, hot, tasty, and guaranteed to fix your life. And yet, it doesn't work that way, does it? You see, many modern meditators, beautiful, well-meaning souls, are unknowingly falling into the same 7 potholes the Buddha warned us about over 2,600 years ago. And they're wondering why the road feels so bumpy. So today, I want to walk with you through these 7 common meditation mistakes, not with judgment, but with awareness, warmth, and maybe even a little chuckle along the way. 1. Meditation as escape. Avijja, ignorance. Some people come to meditation thinking it's a spiritual getaway. They sit on the cushion like it's an airport lounge, hoping meditation will fly them away from their stress, anxiety, and overthinking. But friends, the Buddha didn't teach meditation as a vacation. He taught it as a flashlight, not to run from darkness, but to see it clearly, directly, lovingly. When we use meditation to avoid our experience, we're not meditating, we're spiritually dodging. It's like painting over mold with fresh white paint. Looks great today, but give it a week and the smell returns. A young man once told me, "Bhante, I meditate so I don't have to feel anything." I smiled gently and said, you're practicing stonetation, not meditation. The aim isn't to go numb. The aim is to see, to understand, to awaken. 2. Chasing a blank mind. Yes, the myth of the perfectly empty mind. People imagine meditation is about forcing thoughts to vanish, chasing some cinematic moment of inner stillness, like the mind turns into a snow-covered mountain with no wind, no noise, no thought. But let me offer another image. Imagine you're standing by a river. The water flows. Meditation is not damming the river. It's standing still and watching it move, with awareness, not control. The more you try to stop the flow, the more pressure builds. Eventually, the dam bursts. Peace doesn't come by silencing the mind, it comes from understanding it. 3. Skipping ethics. Sila. Here's a secret that doesn't get enough airtime. You can't meditate deeply on a dirty foundation. If your days are filled with lying, gossip, cruelty, even subtle ones like sarcasm or judgment, it's not that you're a bad person, but your own mind will refuse to settle. It's like trying to pour tea into a cup that's full of holes. Dhamma isn't just about what we do on the cushion, it's how we live before we sit. Want deeper, sweeter meditations? Clean up your speech. Be a little gentler today. Choose honesty over cleverness. Choose silence over sarcasm. You'll notice it. The heart becomes light, the breath flows easier. 4. Impatience with progress. Anicca, impermanence. We live in a world of buy now, get now. So it's no surprise people come to meditation expecting express delivery. Dear Buddha, it's been 3 days, where's my enlightenment? But Dhamma doesn't work on Wi-Fi speed. It's not a download, it's a flower. It grows slowly in seasons. One day your meditation is still as a mountain. The next day your mind is swinging from tree to tree like a monkey who had too much espresso. That's not failure, that's reality. Be patient. Progress is not linear. Just keep watering the seeds. 5. Spiritual bypassing. Tanha, craving for relief. Now this one's sneaky, because it wears the robes of peace, but hides the scent of avoidance. Some people use meditation like a soothing balm. Don't want to feel that trauma? Meditate. Don't want to face grief? Breathe it away. But here's the truth. You can't sweep things under the meditation cushion forever. Eventually, they bump back and trip you. The Buddha didn't say turn away from suffering. He said turn toward it. Not because we're masochists, but because truth heals. And yes, healing may sting before it soothes. That's the nature of surgery. But it saves lives. 6. Inconsistency in practice. Some meditators treat meditation like an emergency vitamin. Only when they're stressed, only when life is on fire. But the mind is not an on-demand machine. It's a garden. You can't just water it when you feel like it. Otherwise, yep, weeds. Start small, even 5 minutes a day, but every day. Make it as regular as brushing your teeth. Don't wait for a storm to remember you have an umbrella. 7. Not living the Dhamma. Some meditators sit beautifully, eyes closed, posture straight, breath steady. But once they leave the cushion, they forget everything. They leave the Dhamma where they sat. It's like taking off your shoes to enter the temple and never picking them up again. But Dhamma was never meant to be limited to silent rooms. It's meant to dance in your parenting, to breathe through your work stress, to whisper in the middle of an argument, to rise when you fall, to shine when no one's watching. True meditation is not just what you do when your eyes are closed. It's how you walk, talk, love, and live with those eyes open. So, my dear Dhamma friends, these 7 meditation mistakes, they're not sins. They're not punishments. They're just misunderstandings. And the Buddha, in his infinite compassion, left us not in darkness, but with a path. A living, breathing, walkable path. So, here's the real teaching. Be mindful even when it's uncomfortable. Don't chase awakening like a prize. Walk the middle way. Let your ethics be the roots that nourish your inner stillness. And most importantly, stop trying to fix the mind. Instead, become intimate with it. Know it, befriend it, witness it. Because meditation is not about getting somewhere. It's about being here, utterly awake to this moment. With a heart that sees clearly, feels deeply, and opens gently to the truth.